Alright, so today we did a little bit more removal of some plastic stuff from underneath this hood. There's still one giant piece of plastic and some other stuff I want to get rid of, but that is once SPE finishes their piping kit for the factory 11 to 14 turbo, unless I spend a lot more money and upgrade to a 15 plus. So the things that are new today is the Mishimoto degas tank. So you've got two that are billet aluminum full replacements for the plastic tanks that were in here. So those are now gone and replaced again, like I said, with billet aluminum. We have full Mishimoto radiator upper and lower hose kits. They come with stainless steel fittings that go on there. We also have the Mishimoto primary radiator. I did not do the secondary. I wanted to focus on the primary for now, and we'll deal with the secondary if it ever goes. On top of that, we did the hose cleanup kit. Instead of you having the plastic hoses that came through here and fed everything over your engine bay in preparation, again, for the SPE upper kit for the full intake piping set, you've got all the replacement hoses that come in here and go to the degas tank. So that's one. Down here's another one. You can see SPE on it. And then I've done a video on this before, so I've got the H&S conversion kit for the upper fuel filter. You got the KB diesel cold side pipe, the Amazon special hot side pipe. And then I've got the Gates Fleet green belt down in there. I ran this truck for a year, and it always had just a slight squeal to the belt. So I bought the normal, the normal belt, and then before I ever did the installation on it, I decided to go with a Fleet belt, and so those are supposed to get a lot better lifetime out of those. So I think that's about it up here. I've showed the S&B cold air intake. That was, I think, one of the very first things that we did here. So the other thing is the Mishimoto thermostat, which you obviously can't see, that's down inside the engine. And then lastly, let's see if we can get down in here where you can see some aluminum back behind there, maybe. Maybe not. I may have to get it from a different angle. But there is a Mishimoto transmission cooler now down in there. So that should help things out a lot. Some of the reviews that I saw on Amazon, one guy said that he did these in all of his fleet vehicles. And I want to say it was like a 20 to 25 degree reduction. So that's going to be a good perk. So we will keep everyone updated with how this turns out. But I am very pleased with the things that are happening under this hood. So we'll keep on going with upgrades and keep you posted. Thanks for watching. And the primary thing I think I forgot was the Mishimoto intercooler kit. So replace the factory intercooler with, again, another Mishimoto product. So we will see how that one turns out. I've watched a lot of videos on their products and seen what kind of gains that they got off these for performance. So I think that'll really help things out. But let me take you to the back and show you all the plastic crap that came out. There you go. Now you can actually see it, but there's the transmission cooler. Again, another Mishimoto product. So you can see that back behind the grill. So here's some of the plastic crap that came out. So you can see the upper hose, the lower hose, one of the degas tanks. There's the Ford factory intercooler, and then the primary radiator. So that is it. If you guys have got any questions, please let me know down in the comments.